This is Dizzy Slay MUA. Don't I look a little saucy? I look real saucy. Ow. Did I mean to say saucy or spicy? I think I meant to say spicy. Ooh, yes, I'm looking real spicy. Call me Paprika. Ow, middle name Cinnamon. Ow. But today on my channel, I'm going to show you how I got this soft glam look with the glitter liner. It's gonna be super fast because I'm going to start with one eye already done, and it's super easy because you know I like to break it down for you guys, okay? So it's gonna be super broke down, super fast, straight to the point because we don't got time to be here all day, okay? But continue watching. Alright, so this brow is already done and I already have concealer around it. So to base my lid, I am using the P. Louise Rumor, and I'm using 3 and 5 and I'm mixing it. Why not use just 4? I don't know. I didn't think about it. So this is the combination that I'm applying to my eyelid. I didn't want it too dark. I didn't want it too light. I wanted it to like go with my eyes. I don't know. Y'all know I just do whatever. But you want to pick a color that's not too far off from like your concealer color. At least for me. That's how I picked my color. Alright, now I'm going to blend in concealer. I said concealer. I'm blending the base into my concealer, making sure that it is flat, that it is even. Okay, even Stevens out here. Okay, once our base is done, now we can actually get started on doing our actual eye look. Yay! So the 2 palettes that I'm using are the Chocolates by Juvia's, this bad boy right here, and the Warrior 2 by Juvia's, this one. I know it's dirty, but I use this one, like, this is my most used palette actually, so that's why she look a little used, but it's supposed to be. All right, so I'm going to start in the chocolates, and I'm going in with this shade right here. This is my short little fat fluffy brush. Again, if you're using the brushes I recommended, this one's in there, the short fat one. Like me since quarantine started. Okay, I'm sorry. So that brown shade, I want to focus on the outer part of my eye. See? And then start to curve it up a little. And I'm just tapping it on. I'm not doing anything special for this color. I'm just tapping. Alright, the next color I'm using is from the Warrior 2. So I am going in with Yodit from the Warrior 2. And to apply this one, it is a blending brush I'm using because I'm going to start blending it right here with our shade from the chocolates. So I'm dipping into Yodit, and now I'm going to just start blending. Little circular movements. And I'm blending up and out. And even in front of it, all up in here. Now in front of it, in front of the chocolate, still blending. All right, now still in Warrior 2, I want to go into Zama, this orange in the middle, and when I say tap lightly, all I'm doing is warming up this brown. So it's like a quick little tap, and we're gonna blend, tap and blend, that's it. And then I'm just going in. Kind of like in between Yodit and the chocolate. Like I said, we're just warming it up with that orange. This is legit like one of the fastest eye looks that you can do that comes out super bomb. Okay, back into the chocolates. Using this middle shade right here at the bottom. And this is the shade that I'm applying all right here on my lid. It's just a nice color that's, you know, close to the complexion. I'm doing it to be a nice full base. And when I do this part, I actually follow like the curve of my eye. So even though I had the brown shadow right here, I want to put this right here because I'm just following the shape of my eye. All right, so once we have that tan shade applied, we want to go back into Yodit. Just tap it a little bit. Here's a reminder of Yodit from the Warrior 2. We're going back into that brown. And awkward. Okay, what we want to do is swirl it right here just to blend those two colors more. That's it. Can y'all believe that we're almost done this eye? Like, and I'll tell you it's the fastest eye. It's the fastest eye. Now to get the shimmer effect that I have on my lid, we are going in with Wifey. This is a loose pigment by me. You'll see how it goes on. Looks like this, but when it's on, lit AF. So I legit just like put some in the lid, or you can use the jar and tap off any excess. And go like that onto your lid. And this is gonna give you the shimmer look without having to do glitter. It's like perfect for any glam, natural glam. Or you can use this before you put on a glitter, and it really like kicks it up. So, yeah. Okay, like I said, follow the natural shape of the eye with this as well. Make sure you really get right there. Get right there. Do you see what this did? Like, do you see what this did to our look? Our look is like, bam, damn. Okay, so now I'm doing a wing liner. I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner, like always. And let's wing it. My liner never comes out that good when I do it. I don't know why it wants to show off for y'all. This is actually what my left side is supposed to look like. But that eye has a mind of its own, and it wanted that wing to be obnoxious. So as much as I like this one, I'm gonna have to make it a little thickiana. This is like legit the perfect wing for me. Like, it's not too big. And then it's this toe over here. Extra. There we go. That's gonna make it thick like the other one. And it's fine if you don't fill in like all the spaces, because as you see, I have glitter over it. Unless you don't want to do glitter, you don't have to do glitter for your liner on this. You actually don't even need a wing liner for this look. I just prefer it, okay? Okay. All right, now that our liner is done, time to do our wing. Hey, time to do. So I have two adhesives here. This is the Anastasia glitter adhesive and my Duo. You can use either one of these to put your glitter on. So, and for the black glitter that I'm using, it's also by me. It's called Melanin Magic. It's one of my faves. I don't even know why I say one of my faves, because they're all my favorites. It just depends on how I feel that day. But this is what it looks like. Oh shit, I spilled some. Black, chunky with fine glitter, holographic. You know, saying late. Sorry, I'm hyped, but I should be. All right, to apply this on my wing, I'm using a small angled brush, which also came with our brush sets. This bad boy, that one. Yeah, her. Okay, so what I do is I put the adhesive on the brush, or use the brush to pick up the adhesive, whichever one you want to say. And then I apply it where I want. You know, I do a little bit at a time. And then from there, I dip the same brush into the glitter and put it on. Like that, easy. Easy peasy. Lemon easy. And repeat until the wing is done. That wasn't that easy, because I'm done. Okay. Bottom of our eye, again, super easy. All I did was black liner. I didn't want to be too extra, because this is like a little, it's a simpler look, so you don't need to do a lot. Black liner on the waterline. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my face, pop my lash on, and come back looking like a whole new woman. Alright. Alright. Alright guys, this is our final look. Everything came together perfectly. And look who does not have on a new lip. I don't know who I think I am, but y'all know when I had this red lip on, can't nobody tell me nothing. Hey, but do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Don't lie. But this is a cute, simple, and you saw how fast and easy this glam was. I'm a little bit obsessed. All right, guys, but I hope you like it. Oh, and you see I changed my hair color up a little bit. See, I made the top a little bit more red, and it goes down and fades. Do a little ombre, you know. I like to dabble. I like to dabble a little bit. Okay, but anyway, if this look was easy for you, if you liked it, if you have any questions, just leave all the information out for me below, and I will get back to you. Thank you again for even watching. I contoured the crap out of my face. My face look a little smaller. I don't look like I gained that quarantine 15, 20, 25. Lost count. It's bad. It's bad. But anyway, don't forget to like this video. Give me that thumbs up on the gang. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you're feeling really froggy, you go ahead and share it. You share it, Sharon. Share it, Sharon. I'm so corny. But this has been Dizzy Slay MUA. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.